Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find a Personalize. Then let's tap on this, let's say, preview of the lock screen and home screen. And now under those previews again, we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So My Photos, which is basically your own gallery, Image Studio, and Curated Images, where we've got pre-installed options. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, now we have to tap on More Wallpapers again. So here we've got more albums. Right now you can see only on-device wallpapers. It is because I do not have the internet connection right now. If you will have one, then you will see much more options to choose from. So for example, the album with art, with landscapes, I believe, seascapes, etc. So you will have much more options to choose from than I have right now. But let me still show you how to change the wallpaper. So let me choose something from on-device wallpapers. Let me tap on this one, and here we've got the preview. We can change the position of the wallpaper if you want to, and if you're happy with the results, tap on Set Wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.